Hi everyone, let's look at this question on the blackboard, which says in the diagram PXR and PYO are two semicircles with diameters 14 cm and 7 cm respectively. Use the diagram to answer question 18 and 19. We are given pi as 22 all upon 7. Question 18 says we are to find the area of the enclosed region. 18, we are to find the area of the enclosed region. Mind you, enclosed region, it means what? A region or a space surrounded by boundaries. So in this diagram, we have two semicircles. We have PXR and what? And PYO. Let's draw a shadow line here to complete this line. We have two semicircles which are PXR. This is one semicircle. Let's take it out. We say what? PXR. And also we have another one which is what? PYO. PYO. From the question, we says semicircle with diameter 14 cm and 7 cm respectively. So this means what? This semicircle has, this first one here has a diameter of what? Of 14 cm. The diameter is what? 14 cm. And this one has a diameter of what? Of 7 cm. So to find the radius, we need to what? To divide the diameter by 2. So radius R is equal to D divided by 2. So our radius R is equal to, what is the D? D is the diameter. 14 divided by 2 is what? Is 7. So our radius is 7. So that is why we are given the radius here, which is 7 cm. From here to here is what? Is 7 cm. So the radius is what? Is 7. So now let's find the area for what? For this first semicircle. Let's find the area for this first semicircle. Area for this first one, the area for the semicircle is half pi r square. Area is equal to, we are given pi. Pi is what? 22 upon 7 multiplied by the radius is what? Is 7. The 7 square. A is now equal to 1 all upon 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 7 square is 49. So 22 multiplied by 49, let me have a calculator. 22 multiplied by 49, 22 multiplied by 49, we say 1078 divided by what? Divided by 2 times 7 is 14. This is equal to 77. So the area of this first semicircle, which is PXR, is equal to what? 77 centimeter squares. Fine. We'll move on to what? To the area of what? Of this other semicircle, PYO. Area is equal to half pi r square. We are given pi as what? 22 upon 7. Multiplied by, what is r? Which is the radius. Mind you, here we are only given what? The diameter. We need to find the radius. Mind you, to find the radius, what? We should divide the diameter by 2. So r is now equal to d divided by 2. The d is for the diameter, the R is for the radius. R is now equal to, what is the diameter? It's 7 divided by 2 is what? 3.5. 3.5 is what is the radius for, it means from here to here is what? 3.5. So this is the radius for what? For this semicircle. So the radius is what? 3.5 all square. We multiply 1 times 22 times 3.5 all square. It gives us 269.5 divided by 14. The answer is 19.25. The area for this semicircle, which is PYO, is equal to 19.25 centimeter square. So this is the area for what? For this semicircle. So we are now going to find the what? The area for what? For the enclosed region. In finding the area for what? For the enclosed region, what? We add the area for this first semicircle and what? With the other semicircle. So the area of the enclosed region is sum up to area of what? Of PYO plus the area of what? Of PXR. So what is the area of what? PYO. The area of PYO is 19.25 plus the area of PXR is what? 77. 19.25 multiplied by 77. Sorry, 19.25 plus 77 is now equal to 96.25. So this is the area, centimeter square, the unit. So this is the area for what? For the enclosed region. So we'll move to the last question, question 19, which says we have to find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter of the enclosed region. The perimeter of the enclosed region. The perimeter of the enclosed region. And finding the perimeter of what? Of the enclosed region, it means what? We are going to use the formula for what? For the circumference of a circle, which is 2 pi r. So the perimeter C is equal to, what is pi? But we need to find the radius of what? Of the two circles. Mind you, the first one has a radius of this first one here has a radius of what? Of 7. This first one has a radius of 7, and this other one has a radius of what? Of 3.5. So if you add this one, 7 plus 3.5 is what? Is 10.5. So this is what? This is the diameter of what? Of the whole circle. So if I want to find out the radius, I will divide this 10.5. 10.5 divided by 2 is what? Divided by 2 is 5.25. So the radius for the whole circle, 5.25. So the radius for the whole circle is what? 5.25. So 2 multiplied by 22 all over 7 multiplied by 5.25. 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 5.25 is now equal to 231 divided by 7. 231 divided by 7, 231 divided by 7 is 33. 33 centimeter. So 33 is what? Is the perimeter of what? Of the circle. Mind you, if they ask you to find the perimeter of what? Of the circle, it is same as what? To find the circumference of what? Of a circle. Thank you.